you are new to programming, watch this video. Pulse and pulse is pulse, and true and false is also pulse. Pulse and true is still pulse, and true and the true is of course true. So that's the logic. False and false is false, true and false is false, false and true is false, true and true is true. That's right. Bool x equals to true, bool y equals to false. You know what? Let's try it with true first. Print what? Bool x equals bool y. Not equals. Actually, it must be and. This and. Okay, the and. Let's run it. Syntax error. Oh, sorry. Boom. Let's run it. True. True and true is true. What is this pulse? True and false is false. But what about false and true? False and true is false. Okay? False and false. False and false is also false. Next. False or true is not true or true is. I'm gonna leave it empty for now. True or false is so. And lastly, false or false is. Let's think. True and true. What can it be? Of course, true. False and true. False or true and false or true. False and true is false. So be true. Of course, true. True or false is. True or false is false. So of course it can be true. No, it can be true. Huh? False and false is. In this case, true and true is true. So this can be false and false is false. Let's test. Let's put the or here. False and false is of course false. Then comes true and false. True and false is true. But what about false and true? Of course, false and true is false. No, true. Huh? And then, what is that? Then there's true and true. True and true is of course true.
So that's all. Thanks for watching. Remember this logic. Very important. Subscribe.